Hello learners, welcome to my channel Be Smart in English. In the last video, I covered the definition of sentence and its basic structure. In this video, we will learn the kinds of sentences and assertive sentence in detail. Please subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out any video. In the upcoming videos, I will cover other kinds of sentences one by one. If you find my videos helpful, please like and share. Let's get started. In the last video, we got to know the definition of sentence. A sentence is a word or a group of words that gives a clear meaning. Sentences are of 5 kinds: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, operative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. What is called an assertive sentence? An assertive sentence is a sentence that gives a statement. It is also known as declarative sentence because it gives declaration. Like, I have a beautiful house, she goes to school daily, we love to play cricket, they go to office every day. Now, we will know in what purpose we use assertive sentence. So, an assertive sentence is used to state facts, to describe things, to give information, and to convey an opinion. So, in these purposes, an assertive sentence is used. We will now discuss all the purposes with examples so that it becomes clear to us. Number 1, an assertive sentence is used to state facts. For example, the Amazon River is the largest river by the volume of water. The Taj Mahal was built by the Shah Jahan. The sun rises in the east. These are examples of an assertive sentence. These are examples of assertive sentence which state facts. Now, describe things. Assertive sentences are used to describe things. For example, the bag has enough space to keep things in an arranged manner. YouTube videos are very helpful for learning new things. Third, assertive sentences are used to give information. For example, she informed me of Karma Yogi classes. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. The First World War began in 1914. Now, fourth, an assertive sentence is used to convey an opinion. For examples, butter and scotch ice cream taste better than vanilla. The Taj Mahal is the most beautiful monument in the world. Playing football is more fun than watching TV. These are examples of opinion. Now, we will learn structure of an assertive sentence. We have come to know the purpose of assertive sentences. Why are assertive sentences used? Now we will know the structure of an assertive sentence. So there are simple rules of assertive sentence: subject, verb, and object. If I give an example, Aratrika loves Momo. Here Aratrika is subject, loves is verb, and Momo is object. But in some cases, sentences do not have object. It has adverbials, preposition, complement in the place of object. For example, she appeared first in the examination. So, she is subject, appeared is verb here. But the rest part, first in the examination, is not an object. It is complement of a verb. Actually, here in this example, it is a verb of incomplete prediction. Here, appeared is the verb of incomplete prediction. We can't predict the sentence if I only write she appeared. So, if I give other part of the sentence first in the examination, we get to have a very clear meaning. So, first in the examination is a phrase and it is not an object. So, sentences do not necessarily have objects. It also has adverbials, prepositions, and complement in place of object. Sometimes we get confused with objects that these are not objects, so what they are actually. They are nothing, they are complement adverbials. For say he stays in a hotel. If I say he stays in a hotel, so after stays is verb, he is subject, but in a hotel is not an object here. It is adverbials, or it is prepositional phrase. In the hotel, if I say that it is in the hotel, these three words are is a phrase which shows a place, so it is an adverbial. So that's all. The structure of an assertive sentence is subject, verb, object, and in place of object there can be adverbials, prepositions, and complement as well. Thanks for watching. If you find my videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.